You are working hard, you are managing your own business, or you are looking at your retirement accounts, and you see money moving around through a company called Gusto. They handle your payroll, they handle your retirement contributions, or maybe you are an employee using their Gusto wallet app to build up your savings goals. And a question pops into your head. A question that should pop into your head if you are smart about your money. What bank does Gusto actually use? Where is my hard-earned cash sitting before it hits my personal account? It is a terrifying thought, isn't it? We have all seen the headlines. We have seen financial technology companies, these flashy fintechs, disappear overnight or freeze up because they weren't transparent about where the money was actually going. If you are nearing retirement, or if you are already retired and running a small consulting gig, you do not have the time or the years to recover from a corporate banking mess. You want security. You want clarity. You want to know that if Gusto is processing thousands of dollars of your money, that money is sitting in a real, safe institution. So let me give you the straight, undeniable answer right now. Gusto is not a bank. Gusto is a technology company. The actual bank that powers Gusto's banking services, including the Gusto wallet and the Gusto spending accounts, is NBKC Bank. That stands for National Bank of Kansas City. Now, your immediate fear might be, who on earth is NBKC Bank? I've never seen a branch down the street, and that is a completely fair concern. But here is what you need to understand. NBKC Bank is a real, certified, fully chartered financial institution based out of Overland Park, Kansas. Most importantly, they are a solid member of the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. Why does that matter to you? Because it means your money, up to $250,000 per depositor, is backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. If you have a Gusto account or use their financial tools, your funds are added together with any other balances you might hold at NBKC Bank and protected up to that standard legal limit. But let's pull back the curtain even further, because there is a nuance here that most people miss, and it's a detail you absolutely must know to protect your financial peace of mind. NBKC Bank uses what is called a deposit network service. What does that mean in plain English? It means that to ensure total safety and compliance, all or a portion of the funds you hold in a Gusto account may actually be placed by NBKC Bank into other partner depository institutions. They spread it out behind the scenes into a network of other insured banks. This is standard industry practice for major financial platforms to ensure everything stays deeply liquid and fully insured under that golden umbrella of FDIC protection. So, what is your actionable takeaway from this? If you are an employer utilizing Gusto, or an individual using their wallet features to manage your money as you transition into your golden years, you do not need to panic. Your money isn't floating around in some unregulated digital ether. It is anchored by a real FDIC-insured institution. Your job today is to look at your total cash exposure. If you have significant funds passing through Gusto, or if you hold personal accounts directly with NBKC Bank or any of its network affiliates, always audit those balances to make sure you stay within the $250,000 FDIC insurance limit per institution. Knowledge is power, my friends, and knowing exactly where your money sleeps at night is the first step to absolute financial security. Stay safe, stay informed, and protect your hard-earned wealth.